All refineries are complex facilities that process and refines crude oil into various useful products like gasoline, diesel, and jet fuel. What is shutdown? All refineries and petrochemical plants often halt routine production and operations to conduct preventive maintenance, revamps, and upgrades. The whole plant is stopped for an extended period of time, usually measured in numbers of shifts and even number of days or months, to do equipment preventive maintenance and care, corrective repair, strip down and overhaul or component replacement work. Shutdown is a planned period of time when the refinery temporarily stops operating, so workers can carry out these necessary activities. Shutdowns can last anywhere from a few days to several weeks or even months, depending on the scope of work required. All the major process industries like refining, petrochemicals, power generation, have their own terminology for maintenance projects. Shutdown is intended to encompass all types of industrial projects for existing process plants including inspection and testing, emergency outages, debottlenecking projects, revamps, catalyst regeneration. During a shutdown, workers perform a range of activities. They may clean equipment to remove any buildup of material that can affect its efficiency. They may also replace worn or damaged parts, such as valves or pumps, or conduct inspections to ensure that everything is functioning properly. Another important activity during shutdown is to conduct routine maintenance checks on various units, such as distillation towers and reactors. This helps identify any potential issues or areas that require repairs, which can be addressed before they lead to more significant problems. Shutdowns also require a lot of planning and coordination among various teams within the refinery. Before a shutdown begins, teams will need to review the scope of work and develop a detailed plan to ensure everything runs smoothly and safely. Once all the necessary work is completed, the refinery can resume normal operations. This allows the facility to continue producing the products that are so important to our daily lives, while ensuring that everything is running safely and efficiently. Shutdowns may be inconvenient, but they are necessary to keep the refinery running safely and efficiently, and to ensure that we have the products we need to keep our economy and society moving forward. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to follow our Instagram page for more informative videos like this one.